Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. You're watching a brand new episode of The Nation Wants to Know, and I'm Deepthi Sachdeva. The Nation and even I today want to know who today is responsible for what's going on in Delhi. Is there absolutely anyone in charge, ladies and gentlemen? Lot of political bickering that we have seen, but ultimately, remember the Janta wants an answer today. Because clearly what's been happening, the way it has been dealt with is not normal. I want to begin by putting out one particular image. An image that is depressing, but an image that again is a clear reminder of what's going wrong in the national capital. Now, this man wasn't too old to die. He did not deserve to die. But today he is no more. He was sitting in a cab just outside Terminal 1 at the national capital when the rain slashed the national capital. The Aam Aadmi Party says, "Itni barish hui, hum kya kare?" But this man loses his life today. You see the India Alliance, that is the opposition, blaming the BJP. They want to drag in the Prime Minister. And the BJP says, don't ask us, because this, they claim, was inaugurated under the UPA regime. But I would ask both the BJP and the Congress then to go and tell this to this man's family. Can they do that? Do they have the heart? Do they have the courage to do that? And is this how we'll begin our politics? The city is deluded. The city does not know where to go next. The city does not even know what will happen in case it starts raining in the next hour or so. When you're moving out from your workplaces, many of you have decided to stay back home because you got those calls saying, idhar traffic hai, udhar traffic hai. Do not step out. Let's bring out more images also on our screens. Again, these are images that tell us of the total collapse of governance in Delhi. You see political parties blaming each other. But is this why we elect netas? Is this why we pay taxes? And ladies and gentlemen, this no longer is a joke. Again and again, we are looking at images that have come in that have shocked the entire country from the national capital that has been deluded. A lot of political reactions first up that have come in. So we'll play them out and then we'll also try to find out who's responsible for all the mess, not just at the airport, but across the national capital, across the city today.
जैसे मोदी साम्राज्य की हालत है वैसे ही टर्मिनल 1 गिरा है। 10 साल से रख रखाव उनका था, उन्होंने देखा था और उसके बाद भी ये हालत थी कि एक बारिश नहीं झेल पाई। मोदी सरकार का भी यही हाल होगा, पूरी तरह वही जिम्मेदार है।
हम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर रहे हैं। ये जो आदत पड़ गई है कि इलेक्शन से पहले हमें सारे रिबन काटने हैं या जल्दबाजी में काम होता है, पब्लिक सेफ्टी को दरकिनार कर कर, ये उसका एक उदाहरण है
कि G20 प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा मंडपम बनाया, अब मंडपम बनाने के बावजूद भी पानी रुका हुआ है। तो इससे अंदाजा हो सकता है कि ये जो जितने ऑप्टिक्स के लिए काम किए जाते हैं ना, इसका नतीजा ही निकलता है। आपको बुनियादी काम करने की जरूरत है।
The government is silent. They are not talking about it. But something happened to something in other states, they will shout, they will yell. Rampant corruption is happening in all the construction activities of the government of India.
So all these are images and reactions that again tell you that netas only care about their politics. But spend a moment to look at all these images that our team has been trying to get for you, right from Connaught Place, Minto Bridge, the IGI Airport, Bikaji Kama Place, Shanti Path, Nehru Place, Dhaula Kua, Moti Bagh, Mehrauli, Madhu Vihar. And the list, ladies and gentlemen, is endless. A lot of you have been calling into our newsrooms also to tell us of more reports of, trees falling down, there is no one. You're calling helpline numbers, either they are busy, they are not responding. Clearly, you're worried about what could happen next. Because this is just after a few hours rain that you see almost infrastructure collapsing everywhere. Whether you're in the Lutyens, Delhi, whether you stay in the suburbs, you stay in almost any area. How has the politics happened again? I will want to put out a tweet that came in earlier from Pawan Khera of the Congress. He's a very senior leader of the Congress. He's worked very closely with Sheila Dikshit. He's very well aware of the governance in Delhi. Look at what he says. He says, रात को बिजली बार-बार जा रही थी. दिमाग में एक गाने की लाइन अटकी सी गई. Then he says, करवटे बदलते रहे सारी रात हम. Aapki kasam. This is the Aam Aadmi Party. This, ladies and gentlemen, again tells you that the Congress clearly realizes that there is a total collapse of governance by the Aam Aadmi Party. They are waiting for the next Delhi elections. The Delhi elections, again, are not very far away. In the Feb of 2025, Delhi will be voting. So Pawan Khera knows that they have an opportunity. So what if they've done business with the same Aam Aadmi Party when it came to the Lok Sabha elections? So they are thinking about their politics. The Aam Aadmi Party thinking about their politics, much like the BJP, but no one thinking about you and me and people who stay in the national capital. Let's also listen in to how Atishi has responded to what has happened in the national capital.
सबसे ज़्यादा बरसात साउथ दिल्ली में हुई है। वहाँ पर हमने बाकी सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स जो भी सहयोग कर सकते हैं सबको लगाया हुआ है। जब बरसात बंद हुई और जब ड्रेन्स का पानी सेटल हुआ, उसके बाद दिल्ली में जो अलग अलग जगह पानी का लेवल था वो कम हुआ, क्योंकि बारामुल्ला की वॉल ब्रीच हो गई। वाटर की क्वांटिटी इतनी ज़्यादा थी उस समय, इसलिए साउथ दिल्ली के उसके आसपास के कई एरियाज में, मथुरा रोड में, जंगपुरा ए में, सनलाइट कॉलोनी में, वहाँ पर समस्या ज़्यादा समय रही है। लेकिन वहाँ पर भी काफ़ी संख्या में टेम्पररी मोटर्स वगैरह को लगाया गया है अलग अलग कॉलोनी से पानी को ड्रेन आउट करने।
जिस प्रकार से दिल्ली में पूरी अव्यवस्था छाई हुई है, आप किसी भी इलाके में चले जाओ, इस प्रकार का जल भराव आपको दिखेगा। और यही आम आदमी पार्टी की असली व्यवस्था है। विज्ञापन पर पूरा जोर है, व्यवस्था कमजोर है। आम आदमी पार्टी ने जो भी दावे किए थे वो खोखले निकले। जो 22 मेजर नाले हैं जिसका पानी यमुना जी में जाता है, उसमें केवल 50% की डिसिल्टिंग हुई है। उसके अलावा एमसीडी जो आज आम आदमी पार्टी के पास है, 713 नालों में से लगभग 250 नालों में ही क्लीनिंग हुई है। पीडब्ल्यूडी विभाग जिसके पास सबसे अधिक इलाका है डिसिल्टिंग करने का, उसमें भी दावे बड़े बड़े हैं, पर असलियत ये है।
So is it important now for the Delhi voter to speak up? The same Delhi voter that perhaps believes that with some bit of freebies, free electricity, free pani, the netas believe that they can shut us up. But is this the time that you need to speak up? Ladies and gentlemen, this is clearly not what we deserve. Just one glance at anything and everything that has been happening across the national capital today will tell you that this has been an image of an utter chaos. On the bottom of your screens are our numbers flashing. We will be taking your calls live because this is a show where you get to speak up. We want to know, what do you think about who's accountable for everything that you have seen in the national capital? Are you dreading what could happen if there just could be another sharp downpour? What will happen to the city? Will we stop stepping out of our homes? Will we all go back to a cave like, a lot of netas want us to believe कि बाहर मत निकलिए, इतनी तेज बारिश हो रही? Does life stop there? We'll also introduce a panel of guests that is joining us right now. We have Harish Khurana ji, who represents the BJP, Dr. Nikul Patel, leader of the Congress, Sanjeev Kaushik ji is also a political analyst, he leans towards the AAP, and Suhail Seth also joining us with his perspective. And Suhail, with your permission, I quickly have to go into the netas because I am concerned. What will happen in case, Suhail, you have another rain tonight? Will we wake up tomorrow again to similar scenes and again we'll be told, oh, rain god is responsible? Sanjeev ji, who's responsible?
देखिए, सच बात यह है कि पूरे मानसून में जो 800 mm बारिश होती है, वो पिछले 24 घंटों के अंदर में तकरीबन उसके 25% से ज्यादा 228 mm की बारिश हो गई है। उस परिस्थिति में ये बात बिल्कुल सही है कि लाख सरकार यदि व्यवस्था मजबूत भी रखे, चाक चौबंद भी रखे, लेकिन व्यवस्था फैलनी स्वाभाविक
नहीं रखे तब ना संजीव जी, जब रखा ही नहीं है तो कैसे होगा?
व्यवस्थाएं भी है।
देखिए, अगर आम आदमी पार्टी भी बहाना बनाएगी तो आप में, भाजपा में, कांग्रेस में क्या अंतर है?
मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूं कि आप मुझे कोई ऐसा रास्ता बताइए कि यदि पूरे मानसून में जितनी बारिश हुई उसकी 1/4 24 घंटे के अंदर में।
संजीव जी, सरकार में तो आप है ना, सरकार में जाने से पहले आपने ये नहीं सोचा
होना चाहिए? वो सड़कों से मैंने कहा दिल्ली की जनता को परेशानी है, कहने में कोई गुरेज नहीं है, लेकिन इस पर किसी का बस नहीं है। जो लोग दिल्ली
अरे तो
की जनता
छोड़
पर
दीजिए ना, आप बोलिए अरविंद केजरीवाल को रिजाइन कर दें। सर अगर कोई जोर है ही नहीं, अरविंद केजरीवाल की चलती नहीं है, कोई बैठक नहीं होती है, सारी प्रॉब्लम एलजी की वजह से, जैसे आप लोग अलेज करते हैं, लेट द एलजी रन द गवर्नमेंट। सर
आप भी यही चाहती, मतलब आप भी यही चाहती हैं कि अरविंद केजरीवाल रिजाइन कर दें और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के हाथ में सरकार दे दे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
सर ये मत करिए ना, बार बार मत करिए। देखिए एक बार आप लोगों को उल्लू बनाएंगे, बेवकूफ बनाएंगे, बार बार नहीं बना पाएंगे। जनता आपसे पूछेगी ना सर कि इसके लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है। देखिए पानी नहीं आता है, आप कहते हैं हरियाणा जिम्मेदार है। बारिश हो जाती है तो आप कहते हो भाई इतनी जबरदस्त बारिश हो चुकी है कि हम कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। किसी चीज के लिए तो आप जिम्मेदार होंगे ना सर।
अभी शहजाद भाई बता रहे थे कि 4 फीट से ज्यादा जो चौड़े नालियां हैं उसमें से 713 का वो आंकड़ा बता रहे थे कि सबकी सफाई नहीं हुई, दुरुस्त नहीं हुई। सब कुछ कर ली जाए तब भी पूरे मानसून में जो इतनी बारिश होती है उसकी यदि 1/3 बारिश हो जाए यदि तो 25% से ज्यादा, तो ये किसी के भी कंट्रोल में नहीं है। और जो लोग हमलावर हो रहे हैं वो लोग एक बार मुंह खोल दे, दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट के मामले में भी मुंह खोले।
नहीं आप छोड़िए संजीव जी देखिए वो बात छोड़िए। आप इस समय सरकार में हैं,
वो लोग अयोध्या की भी
सरकार में है सर। संजीव जी आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है, मुख्यमंत्री जेल में है, वो कहते हैं हम जेल से सरकार चलाएंगे।
अयोध्या में सरकार
तो चलाइए ना सरकार।
अयोध्या में सरकार नहीं है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की अयोध्या में सरकार नहीं है।
देखिए फिर वही बात हो गई ना, आपसे सवाल पूछा जाए, आप भाजपा पे सवाल उठा रहे हैं।
पानी बस स्टैंड में पानी
नहीं संजीव जी
पे पानी
आप भूल गए हैं। जब शीला दीक्षित जी की सरकार होती थी, जब दिल्ली में पराली जलती थी, पराली का धुआं होता था, आप सब क्या कहते थे, हमें पंजाब मिल जाए हम सब कुछ ठीक कर देंगे। क्या हुआ?
दीप्ति दिल्ली का अपना कुछ नहीं है। यदि राजस्थान में गर्म हवाएं चलती हैं तो उसका असर दिल्ली में भी पड़ता है।
ये तो मतलब जबरदस्त, आप जबरदस्त तर्क दे रहे हैं संजीव जी।
लगता है
और लगातार हमें कॉलर्स कॉल कर रहे हैं। इससे पहले हम फोन लाइंस चालू करें। रुकिए अब रुकिए संजीव जी, मैं समझ गई आपने कहा आप हेल्पलेस है। द गॉड इज टू बी ब्लेम्ड, द रेन गॉड्स आर टू बी ब्लेम्ड। निकुल, do you agree with this? Will you support your partners in crime, the Aam Aadmi Party now? Or like Pawan Khera said, कि रात को बिजली बार बार जा रही थी, दिमाग में गाने की लाइन अटक गई, करवटें बदलते रहे सारी रात हम, आपकी कसम। निकुल?
Yeah, good. So I think if you see what happened today at Delhi is really pathetic, and definitely the drains and whatever.
Who's accountable? Nikul, I have seen that. Who's accountable?
Present government who is into the power, as well as
Arvind Kejriwal. Are you saying Arvind Kejriwal is responsible for the entire mess in Delhi?
I'm saying that the present government as well as the elected representative, whether if they are from
Why don't
BJP
you name them? Let's name them and shame them, Nikul.
So member of parliament, all member of parliament of the BJP, 7 who have been elected, as well as the government who is being present at the Delhi, they are responsible for it and they have to answer, because whatever happened has to be coordinated in well time. That is what I can say. That is what is required.
Okay. See, this is diplomacy, Nikul. Nikul, in the next few months, Delhi is going to be voting. And Delhi will remember the responses that have come in from Sanjeev Kaushik ji. Delhi will remember the responses that have come in from Pawan Khera, also from Nikul Patel. Parminder ji is calling us on the phone line, and Harish ji and Suhail, with your permission, I quickly want to listen into what one caller has to say. Sanjeev ji, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Parminder ji, good evening, sir. Thank you for calling in. What would you want to say?
Good evening to all the panelists, and thank you for taking me on the call. I think it is time that, you see, we have to call a spade a spade. This government which has come in power, fine, they have got 2 consecutive terms or whatever, but they are just not doing anything. The only thing that they know about to do is that just blame everybody else for all the ills. If there is a problem with regard to water, then there is a problem with the other states. If it is the monsoon, then it is the God, and it is... I have not seen anything really happening on ground. And if this is one thing, that if they cannot go in for the administration of the capital of the country, I think it is time that they have to go. As a matter of fact, the current central government has not invoked Article 356 for any purposes as yet. But I tell you, Delhi is a fit state that they must now invoke Article 356 and remove this government and let some central agency to do the work.
Okay, Parminder ji, what you're saying is significant. What you're saying is significant because Sanjeev Kaushik ji, you lean towards the Aam Aadmi Party. देखिए कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये नहीं कह रही है. दिल्ली का एक सिटीजन ये कहता है कि अगर निकम्मी सरकार है उसे हटाइए ना. सरकार अगर कुछ कर नहीं सकती, सरकार लाचार है, तो ऐसी सरकार का मतलब क्या है? But Harish ji, this does not also mean that you allow Delhi to go from bad to worse because this suits you. Someone needs to intervene, no? Even the NDMC areas today are equally affected, and I hate to say this, it is not about NDMC, MCD anywhere. Delhi is everyone's. Harish ji.
Dipti, first of all, hello to you and to all your viewers. As far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, only God is to be blamed. The reason is, I'll tell you, still we are fixing up the problem of water scarcity till 2 days before, and they were blaming Haryana government now. What they are saying, we are helpless because God has sent this amount of rain today. Problem is, today, I must congratulate, on a scarcity I'm talking about, I must congratulate Arvind Kejriwal today that he has fulfilled the promise, that he has promised that Delhi will become a city of lakes. It has become now today. That we have seen everywhere in Delhi today, we have seen a lot of lakes today. Who is responsible? 2 years back, they were blaming, हम तो कसूर नहीं है जी, MCD हमारे पास नहीं है.
Harish ji, when it comes to the big Lok Sabha elections, 7 out of 7 seats is what, people give to the BJP. The app has failed, but why don't you get into it? Why don't you get into the act and save the national capital?
Our all MPs were on the road today. You name single MLA of Aam Aadmi Party who was on road to help the people out.
What were they doing? The app says politics हो रहा है. ना आम आदमी पार्टी कुछ कर रही है, ना भाजपा कर रही है, कांग्रेस तो वैसे ही वेट एंड वॉच कर रही है क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि जब 25 में इलेक्शन आएगा उनका फायदा हो जाएगा. हरीश जी,
दीप्ति, your channel is already playing the video of Manoj Tiwari standing at Minto Road. We are already on the roads, ma'am. The only problem
on the roads is not the case, Harish ji. You need to help them. Either the chief minister is helpless, the chief minister is bad, sack him.
Allow me 10 more seconds. The problem is Aam Aadmi Party is in a permanent denial mode. Problem is this: they're not even going to accept their failures. We need today, the solution is we need a full-time chief minister. We never need a chief minister who will run from jail. Arey Atishi ko bana dijiye chief minister. At least he should be answerable. Problem is, kisse puche? Problem is, chief minister is in jail. I'm in jail. What can I do?
Harish ji, before we hit a break, and Suhail, before I come to you, another caller has been standing by, Subodh ji. Subodh ji, good evening. From where are you calling?
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, panelists. I'm calling from East Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party says they are helpless because police is not under their control. They are helpless to give water because Haryana is not giving them. They are helpless in floods because God is not helping them. But they want all the luxury of 60 crore Sheesh Mahal to continue with them. Is it right?
The answer, Subodh ji, I think the people will decide at the hustings, not very far away, Sanjeev ji, but I hope you've heard this. Sheesh Mahal का जिक्र आ गया है. तो संजीव जी, जनता तो सब याद रखती है ना. Act of God आप बोल दीजिए, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. Suhail, I know you haven't spoken. Please allow me a quick break. On the other side, we are back with this coverage. We'll have a lot of you also again speaking up. We'll find out, is there absolutely anyone accountable for these images that you see on your screens? Back. So we are looking at what's happened in Delhi in the last few hours, and clearly the political blame game, Suhail. There is one of our viewers, her name is Sanya. She says, free water in Delhi, now water Delhi.
Now, I haven't interrupted anyone and I want a full flow here.
Yes.
Let me tell you, it is not Aam Aadmi Party, it is not the BJP, it is not the Congress. It is the pathetic citizens of Delhi who vote these jokers to power. One set of jokers is replaced by another set of people. They should suffer. It is ridiculous for a person who is representing the Aam Aadmi Party to even come up and say that God did this. Then don't govern this state. Go back into your cave lands and do not blame the citizen for the apathy you have caused the citizen. I am tired of people blaming each other. I'll tell you one thing. When Sheila Dikshit was chief minister, It was a great state. It was a city that was run well. Vajpayee always cooperated. Today, we are seeing people fight, political parties scoring one brownie point against the other, and the person who suffers the most is the citizen. Aam Aadmi Party keeps saying, y'all are nothing but a bunch of sniveling, whining, complaining people, always complaining, always passing the buck to someone else, always blaming someone else for your faults. The BJP, the LG, who's otherwise a nice human being, a fantastic individual, why should he not take strong steps? Sack the government. Is this a bloody joke that you have a chief minister in prison trying to run a city-state which is the national capital? You talk about a Viksit Bharat? Bullshit. There is no Viksit Bharat. It's a crappy city that we are creating today. Shivani, let me tell you, I say this as a concerned citizen. I do not belong to any political party. I have worked with Sheila Dikshit, I have worked with Vajpayee, and I can tell you one thing, my heart bleeds. I have no doubt that Arvind Kejriwal may have honest intentions, but honest intentions ke saath hum karenge kya? Today you have brought the city to a standstill. You say that God, then why the hell do you fight an election? Go to a temple and win an election in the temple and just stay there, or in a church or in a mosque. Now let me tell you this ridiculousness. The monsoons come every year. Delhi has critical points. And to be fair, Shivani, do not only blame the Aam Aadmi, because everyone is responsible. This bloody Minto Road bridge has been flooding since 1950. You don't have any technology? The Pragati Maidan tunnel is flooded. You don't have any technology? Roads are flooding. You don't have any technology? And Aam Aadmi Party, this gentleman is right to an extent. The NDMC areas have also flooded today. Shashi Tharoor had to almost swim to Parliament. That comes under NDMC. Here's, these people can keep blaming each other. You know, Bernard Shaw said, when whales fight, shrimps are eaten. We are the shrimps. We are the ones who are getting eaten. Because the political parties have one word missing from their vocabulary, which is sorry. We apologize and we will make amends.
Yes.
You know something, Shivani, let me tell you, I'm angry not because, see, I don't have any vested interest. Let me tell you, we can keep glossing over all these issues as if nothing has happened. You will have this debate again next June.
Absolutely, we have it every year, Suhail.
No, because
Suhail,
we don't go
apologies,
after
I'm
these
interrupting
people.
you here because I'm at the fag end of the show and this is Deepthi. Sanjeev ji, sorry bolenge. Sorry boliye, maafi मांग लीजिए, maybe.
किससे माफी मांग ले? यही दिल्ली
अरे देश की जनता से मांगिए सर, दिल्ली की जनता से मांगिए. क्या सवाल है ये, किससे माफी मांगेंगे आप?
मेरी बात तो
मेरी बात हो गई, माफी मांगेंगे नहीं मांगेंगे?
तो लीजिए, दिल्ली की जनता ही तो दिल्ली केजरीवाल साहब को दिल्ली की जनता ही तो चुन के बैठाती है.
यही तो अहंकार है सर, यही अहंकार है. This is exactly the arrogance of the chair. All right, okay. We attempted to find out who's accountable. And apologies, we could not take in more callers, but this will be our focus over the monsoon because like Suhail said, every day we'll do this story whenever you will have rains lashing down the capital, political blame game almost every day. Gentlemen, thank you so much. Heading into a quick break.